Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove pronouns from your Instagram profile. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap on Edit Profile. Here you will see Pronouns section. Tap on it, then remove the selected pronouns. Now tap Done or Save. Go back to your profile and your pronouns will be removed. That's it. Like, share and follow for more Instagram tips.